Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we will learn about the HTML preformatted text element. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The HTML preformatted text element is used to display text exactly as it is written in the HTML code, preserving white spaces, line breaks, and formatting spaces. So let's say I write a paragraph tag or a paragraph element, and then I'll generate a random text. And when I save, you see that it is being displayed exactly as it is in the code. So I'll just zoom in a bit for you to see. So it is being displayed exactly as it is in the code. When I go ahead and let's say I distort it, maybe write it randomly like this, I'm just trying to distort it, and then when I save, it is being formatted properly and displayed nicely in the web page. So I'll just go ahead, copy this paragraph element, and then write the HTML preformatted text tag, which is this pre tag, and then in between the opening tag, I'll go ahead and then paste this same paragraph, and then I'll distort it again, just make it randomly, and then put this like this, and then when I save, you see that we get it the same or exactly as it is in the code. So the way I have written it in the code, it is appearing exactly same in the web page. So this is how we can use the HTML preformatted text element to format text to appear exactly as it is in the code in the web page. So the HTML preformatted text element is normally wrapped around the HTML code element. So I'll just go ahead and then demonstrate that for you to see. I'll just go ahead and write the tag, and then I'll go ahead and write a CSS code quickly. So I'll just say H1. Let's assume I'm selecting an H1 in CSS. You don't have to understand CSS to know what I'm doing. This is just an example. I'll just write font size of 3 rem, and then color of, let's say, black, and then I'll save. So when I save this, I don't know, let me just comment these ones at the top out quickly for you to see. So this is our code. So you see that the way I wrote the code, it appears exactly as it is in the web page, and then in the same, and it is the same as how it is in the text editor or in my code. So this is it. So I can go ahead and write another code again. Let me say this is a JavaScript function, just a great function. You don't have to understand JavaScript to know what I'm writing. I'll just say console.log hello world, and when I save, you see that the function appears exactly as it is in our code. So that is it about the HTML preformatted text element. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.